this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today for 2012 Ford Ranger stock on the 6696. This ran from the 6/2011 to the 6/2015. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door 2 dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right hand door no dents. Right front door no dents. Right front guard. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Display cluster. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster,